Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a capture card for Nintendo Switch. First, gather your essential equipment. You'll need a capture card, at least 2 HDMI cables, and a USB cable to connect the capture card to your computer. Make sure your computer has sufficient processing power and storage for recording or streaming. Also, have your Nintendo Switch console and its dock ready for connection. This preparation ensures a smooth setup process. Now let's connect the hardware. Take one HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI output port on your Nintendo Switch dock. Then, connect the other end of that same HDMI cable into the HDMI input port on your capture card. Next, use a second HDMI cable to connect the capture card's HDMI output to your television or monitor. Finally, connect the capture card to your computer using its USB cable, typically a USB 3.0 port for optimal performance. With the hardware connected, it's time for software setup. Install any necessary drivers and software that came with your capture card onto your computer. Once installed, open your preferred streaming or recording application, such as OBS Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Within the software, add a new video source and select your capture card from the list of available devices. You should now see your Nintendo Switch display within the software preview window. You're almost ready to go live or record. Before starting, fine-tune your audio and video settings within your software. Adjust resolutions, frame rates, and bit rates to achieve your desired quality, often 60 frames per second for smooth gameplay. Confirm your microphone and other audio inputs are working correctly. Once everything looks and sounds perfect, simply click the Start Recording or Start Streaming button to share your Nintendo Switch adventures with your audience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.